Mother Nature has her own beauty products, and one of them is coconut milk. Many believe that it has natural straightening agents that are quick and effective. Since it's probably already in your fridge, why not give it a try? Save the money, save damaging your hair with heat, and straighten with coconut milk. See steps below to get started. 1. Fill a spray bottle with 1/3 cup of coconut milk. 2. Combine it with lemon juice from half a lemon. 3. Refrigerate the mixture overnight. 4. In the morning, apply the mixture to your hair, from the roots to the tips. 5. Comb tangles out of your hair with a wide-toothed comb. 6. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. 7. Wash off with cool water and a mild sulfate-free shampoo. 8. Let your hair dry. Coconut milk is one of the best natural way to do permanent hair straightening. If you like the video, please give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. For more beauty tips, please subscribe our channel.